This can't be true. Mia, I found it. Answer, please. I have a cure.
Hello guys, in this video I'll show you guys how we can prepare the cure in green hell. I actually thought like we need to find plants or something, but it's not the case. So what we need to do is go to the nearest river and find the poisonous dot frog. It should be alive, so don't kill the frog. We must find 2 tobacco plants and we must combine the tobacco plants with a leaf bandage. And we will have anti-venom medicine in our hand, so while we capturing this frog we won't die because of the poisoning, because we will cure it before that happens. Once that is done, we will insert the frog inside that machine and we will have our own cure. I hope this helps you guys. Feel free to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.
Thirsty. This can't be true. Mia, I found it. Answer, please. I have a cure. Come on. God damn it, speak to me.